I'm Dr. Jim Ha. I'm a retired research professor at the University of Washington in our animal behavior program. And this is my graduate student, Carly Lawyer.
I am, in addition to a graduate student in animal behavior, I'm a dog trainer as well. And Jim and I are trying to figure out if we can quantify canine personality.
Scientists are interested in the study of personality because there's so much variability in behavior. And we think that a lot of that variability in behavior has to do with individual differences, or what we call personality.
So individual differences in canine behavior has been studied, but in a very limited fashion. It's primarily focused on assessing whether or not a particular dog is going to be safe if it's adopted out, or looking at if a dog will be appropriate for a particular line of work, like acting as a service dog or a bomb sniffing dog.
In addition, funding from sort of established scientific sources has been very difficult to get in this field. Partly because dogs are domesticated, and so many biologists think that they may not be as appropriate a subject. But I think it's also because dogs are so familiar. They're around us, they've been around us for thousands of years, and it's almost an attitude of familiarity, or maybe we know everything about them because they're around so much. But what we're obviously learning, and learning much more, is that that's not true, and we need to know much, much more.
So the novelty of our approach is that we are going to be exposing dogs to a wide variety of circumstances and trying to measure their behavioral responses in great detail. So for example, we'll be exposing them to a lifelike but fake dog. And during that encounter, we'll look at what is their body position when they approach the stuffed dog. Is their head up or is their head down? Is their tail raised or lowered? Do they have their hackles up? So are they showing piloerection? We'll look at, do they approach the stuffed dog's tail end, or do they approach the face? Similarly, in another circumstance, we'll be giving them an exploration task, so they have a chance to check out 4 novel objects. And when they do that, we'll look at how long does it take them to approach the first object, how many objects do they approach over the course of 2 minutes, and then how long before they stop exploring the environment. So we'll be getting careful measures of a variety of different behaviors in a variety of different contexts.
So from an academic point of view, what we hope to be able to achieve is to be able to accurately quantify the personality of domestic dogs on multiple dimensions. And the accuracy, the degree of specificity, as well as the multiple dimensions, is what has not been achieved in the past. And we think that this is really important for understanding the rest of dog behavior.
And once we have a better understanding of that dog behavior, we have the opportunity to apply this information to a great range of things. For example, we might have a better idea of identifying potential personality matches for adopters and dogs that are available. We might have a better idea of the prognosis of behavior problems for particular dogs based on their personality, and also from a dog welfare standpoint, we might be able to choose training techniques that are most appropriate for each individual dog with a scientific foundation.
So we think this research is the foundation really for a lot of other applications and a lot of other work. It's something that's a sort of a missing piece to the puzzle for dog behavior. So we hope that we can get your support. We look forward to your support, and we appreciate those of you who have already supported us.
Thank you.